Okay, we're going to look at skills 14, and we're going to look at questions A and B. We're going to go over A and B together, and then you're going to complete questions 1 and 2 independently on your own as an assessment. So, go and follow as I read. It says, Mr. Potter started putting new tiles on a rectangular tabletop as shown below. Each tile is square with a side length of 1 inch. He continued to place these square tiles without any overlapping to cover the rectangular tabletop. Okay, what is the area of the tabletop in square inches? Okay, so we're going to look at that question. We're going to figure out. First off, we're going to circle the word area right here. Okay, that's important to us because a lot of times the area problems and perimeter problems look very similar. So you want to make sure you're doing the right type problem. And for area problems, we know that we calculate area by multiplying the length times the width. That equals the area. So we need to figure out what we'll figure out what this the width of it is here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So this length right here is going to be 20 inches. The inches abbreviation. Okay, and this length right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is going to be 9 inches. So to calculate the perimeter, we would do 9 times 20. Okay, I know 9 times 2 is 18. And then we put the 0 to mark the place value there. So 9 times 20 would be 180. In this case, it's going to be square inches. Square inches. Okay, look at our answer choices really quick. If you look at the first answer choice, you would get that if you just added the two side lengths together, 20 plus 9. The second one right here is if you made this a perimeter question, it did 20 plus 9 plus 9, you would end up with 58 inches, okay? But the correct answer is 180 square inches because we're multiplying the length times the width and get 180 inches. Go over here and look at problem number B. Okay, on problem B, it says a new patio will be added to the city library. The rectangular patio will be made of square paving stones that each have a side length of 1 meter. The work crew has already placed some paving stones as shown below. Okay, when finished, what will the area of the rectangular patio in square meters be in square meters? Okay, so there again, we're looking at, it's an area problem. Okay, and we know area is equal to length times width. So that means I need to multiply the length times the width. So let's go and figure out what the length is here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 meters. Okay, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meters. So to calculate the area, I would do 5 times 7, and I know my multiplication factor real well. 5 times 7 is 35. That's going to be square meters. Okay, we look at our answer choices really quick. First thing I'm going to look at is I can see one of them is if you just counted the squares that are showing. If you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's one of your answer choices, but that's not how you do it. What we actually did, we multiplied 5 times 7, and 5 times 7 is 35. So the correct answer on this one is 35. What you're going to go and do now is you have 2 more questions. It's right after this video in Schoology in today's folder. And you'll do the skills those two questions, put them into Schoology. It's an assessment right there. Do your very best. Use grid paper when you're working on these problems, and we'll talk to you later.